discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Huh? Yeah, you got it too. Yeah, what you need? Slow down.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
What's your name and a full rundown for the video?
I'm Andy Drummond. I got two X1215 Sundowns. They on a 3K and everything got stock head unit.
All right.
I have a 360 roster.
Okay. Oh, nice. All right. Did you build the box?
Nah, I actually bought a box off of eBay. Not eBay, but Craigslist.
Yes, sir. Oh, nice. All right, man. What is it tuned to?
32.
32. All right. That sounds pretty good though for what it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. What was this amp wired to?
I don't even know.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
Don't worry about it.
That's the only thing that sucks about doing it from your phone.
Yes, sir. It's all right. What vehicle?
This is a 2014 Honda Civic.
Okay. All right.
Come on now.
So get one.
Somebody comes here before. It feels like we met before. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a strip. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a strip.
That sounds pretty good though for what it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. What was this amp wired to? That one does get down too.
Okay.
That's a good demo song.
Oh,
yeah.
they do pretty good for
Yes,
what
sir.
it is.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah, you welcome, man.
Can I see the box real
Yeah.
quick? Oh yeah.
Can't no more. I got no.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.